Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to claim your NodePay token into your wallet. How do you go about it? NodePay token, how do you claim it? So what you need to do is I'm going to show you my system. I'm going to open the camera and show you how to do it. So let me show you my camera. So what you need to do is you're going to go to your Chrome browser and search for, let me show you, and search for, you can see I'm going to drop the link on my description, claim.nodepay foundation. I'm going to drop the description on the address on my description. So what you need to do is after you've come here, you're going to see this now. So you have to make sure you connect this. You can see this is when it's going to end. So you need to come here and click on connect wallet. Here you can see once you click on connect wallet, you can see they have detected my MetaMask. So you want to connect wallet on Solana to continue, or you want to use your MetaMask. You can see MetaMask. I'm going to click on my MetaMask and it's rolling. You can see it's rolling. Oh, sorry for that. You can see it's rolling now. It says, you can see to secure this, just click on continue. And this is it. My NodePay is being rolling. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just stay with me to finish. You can see it's been rolling, so I'm connecting. You can see this is it. Now I'm going to use another browser to do it. I'm going to click on close. I'm going to click on another wallet. So what you can do is click on connect wallet. Then after that, I'm going to click on more option. Now I'm going to come here and click on my Phantom. You can see click on Phantom wallet. Sorry for that. I'm going to click on connect wallet. Then I'm going to click on more option. Then I'm going to click on Phantom. Okay, let me click on Software, which is my Solana. So click on Software. You can only connect your Solana to your NodePay node. You can see this is my Solana wallet. So I'm going to use, okay, get the best Solana wallet here. I'm going to use web wallet. So I'm going to use web wallet. You can see it's been rolling here. So just stay with me. Let's get this done easy and easy. So now I'm going to click on connect. Now that is my wallet. Now you can see that is my, sorry for that. Okay, you can see this is my wallet. I can see I have one NC, so it depends on your NC that will be given to you. You can see click on chain TGA, click on off chain. You can see claim and not yet alive. So once you just have to leave it here, once the claim is alive, we're going to claim it very easily. But this is just a pre-claim of how to connect your Solana wallet, and I've successfully connected my account. You can see I've successfully connected my wallet. So if you do not know how to connect your wallet at the start, let me show you my NodePay. You can see my wallet is being connected already. Let me show you. Yeah. So guys, if you found this video helpful, you can see my wallet is already connected. If you do not know how to connect your wallet, you can search our video on how to connect your wallet to NodePay. So if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe, and let's wait for it and we'll be able to claim it successfully.